Hello guys, I'm Ellie. Today I will be doing a mic review, the Fine K688. This one's sent to me by Fine. You can use promo code ELLIEVENT to get 15% off on its website. But don't worry, I don't do sugarcoating. If it's crap, I'll call it crap. No mercy. I'll be unboxing it, setting it up, showing off its features, testing and comparing it side by side with my good old Blue Yeti. Okay, let's unbox. Packaging's clean and minimal, which I like. Inside we've got... First of all, you do get a manual in English and surprisingly detailed. It's not just the usual don't drop it in water nonsense or purely confused flowchart with icons. This thing actually walks you through the specs, how to set up your input settings on both Mac and Windows, and even gives you tips for recording software setup. So yeah, rare moment where the manual is actually useful. Underneath the foam, we've got the mic itself. It's got this matte black body with a smooth curve, no weird logos screaming at you. There's a nice thick foam windscreen included, and the whole thing feels okay, not toy plastic. You've also got this snug shock mount ring already built in. On the body, there's a small round mute button, and at the bottom there is a headphone jack for live monitoring, volume control for your own voice in your ears, mic gain knob so you don't have to adjust through Windows or OBS menus. You get a super long 2.5 meter cable, USB-C on one end, and the other end's got a USB-A adapter cap. Basically, it works with everything: laptop, desktop, PS4 or PS5. Plus a clean USB-C port convenience. This port is for XLR cable to connect to sound card. That cable is not included. That's all for unboxing. The box doesn't include a mic stand or mount, so unless you already have a boom arm or desk mount, you're gonna need to grab one. Otherwise, you'll be stuck awkwardly balancing it on your desk. This brand also has a mount, which you can get it too, so here it is the mount. I will set both up in a sec. How to set up? Simply hook it up to computer. The mute button indicates green means the mic is on. After that, your computer will automatically install the driver of the mic. Alright, here's the raw mic test. No filters, no edits, just me talking directly into it. Dry voice test. I'll speak in different language so you can focus on the sound.
Hi， 大家好，我是采薇，欢迎大家来到我频道，记得点个赞还有关注哦。
Nice and clean, right? Let's try my Blue Yeti to see the difference.
Hi， 大家好，我是采薇，欢迎大家来到我频道，记得点赞还有关注哦。
Now, let's do mic pickup range test. Listen carefully.
Hi all, I am Elephant. Welcome to my channel. My channel is doing tech and game review. If you are first time here, don't forget to like and sub, then you won't miss future updates. Testing, 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
Let's see how it handles background noise. I'm going to type keyboard and talk at the same time.
Okay. Hey, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Here is the background noise. A B C D E F G. A B C D E F G.
Okay, the test is done. I believe you can tell how it is. In my opinion, Fine K688 is a versatile and affordable dynamic microphone that offers a good balance of features, sound quality for various recording and streaming applications. If you're on a budget and just need something good enough to record or stream, Fine is a good choice. That's all for today. I'm Ellie. My channel is my reviews on tech and game. See you in the next one.